You ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Is it gonna start?
It's been a while. I don't know that I will. That would be a no.
That was an impressive throw, babe.
I practiced it 3 or 4 times.
Oh, yeah.
Round 2. Ooh, that's a good noise.
Ooh, we got juice.
First like a kid. Ah, it's good to be back.
Can I take your order, please?
In building with earth bags, we discovered that our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be a part of our family for this week's adventure. For those of you who have been watching for a while, you'll probably remember we started this conversion van about a year ago and got quite a bit done on it. Then we kind of had to take a break.
Yeah, because we had Kinsley come in and we had to do some projects in the house and stuff to get ready for that. But now, I think we're ready again. We've got all our extra projects done.
Yep, gotten settled into having 2 kiddos, which has definitely been a little bit of a change.
Yeah.
But we're ready to start back in on the van finally and get this thing moving again.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
So, what do we need to do on this thing? We left off and I can't really remember. Okay, let's start with all the things that need to be done before we button up. So we need to do lighting, we need to do countertop, sink, hot water heater,
Seatbelts.
seat belts, yes. Should we work on something here and try and get something checked off?
Yeah. I'm sure there's more things that we have to put on the list.
Oh
It's a really good start.
Want to do the door panels today?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
This one's gonna be really easy for slats.
Do you want to start on the side doors or the back doors?
Maybe we should start on the back doors, huh? Because then it's closer to the tools. And then when we make all the mistakes, when we're figuring out how to do it, it's right on the back.
Right here, next to all of our tools.
Perfect.
Well, we don't have any tools out here yet.
But we will.
And we do have the old panels, so we can use those as a template, right?
Yeah, they'll be
Because we want
nice.
the curves.
The curves, yep. These 2 are the backs, and these 2 are the sides. Get that entire one.
Yeah, she's their helper now.
Perfect.
She's here to help.
Sorry for the noise. We got our new cooler on.
Keep the girls cool, right? Not us.
Oh yeah, it's definitely about the girls.
Yeah. Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah.
I was thinking what we should do is lay out a bunch of slats across the table here, and then lay this on top, and then just trace them all, and then we'll have all our cuts.
That sounds good.
So should we go get some pallets?
Yeah, let's go pallets.
Oh yeah, it's all clean over here. Garen got it all cleaned out. Pallet mess everywhere. Fun to work in a clean area.
Yeah.
Do we like all these? Are they pretty enough?
We'll just kind of lay that on there and trace it, you said?
Wow. It could not be more perfect.
So you know what? I'm just going to go to the edge.
Just cut the nails off.
Yeah. I guess we just got to make sure we keep these in order too, huh?
We have upgraded from the orbital sander. Check it out.
That makes a nice board.
Wow.
Arguably too nice.
Where is it? Peek-boo. You remember working on the van? Yeah? You excited to get back on it? Yeah, we're working on the doors. Yep. I'm glad we got your help out here.
I think now I just need to find my screws. I hope I still have some. Past 6 months here, I've been slowly using the screws for other things. That is all I have left. I need to run to the store and get some screws.
You go inside?
You're not ready, are you, Kinsley?
She's exhausted from working.
Yeah, this one will be good. Screws in home. Ready? Okay, let's go. go get some sleep, huh?
Yeah. Get back at it in the morning.
Yeah. Hey, you guys getting me pallets?
Yeah, Azalea picked this one out.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Look at all those slats.
Thank you. I'm gonna get cutting. I ran out. All right, got the pallets cut up. I have just those 2 last doors to do. I'm kind of excited to see how those doors look because they're a little longer and I can also shut the doors and see them really good from the inside, whereas the back chair kind of blocks the back doors when it's closed, so you can't really see the whole picture when the whole cabin's closed.
This looks so good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know, I was kind of picturing it might look a little funny with the wood and then the metal on the top, you know? But it turned out really cool. These look a little different right now than the ones inside, don't they?
Yeah, they do. They're a little lighter.
I think they'll end up looking the same because when we first did the inside, it looked a lot like this, and it just, over time, they darken up a little, I guess. I don't know. I really like it, actually. I like the light, too, but I like the way it looks in there right now. All right. Sweet. Thanks for joining us this week. We have 2 weekly peeks now, one on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Pacific and one on Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific. Bree and Jared are going to be rolling in with some pretty exciting stuff this Friday, so be sure to catch that. Their t-shirt design of the week is Take Advantage of Sustainable Pallets. If you want to pick one of those up, the link's down in the description. We'll see you next week. Bye!
Thank you.
Are you going for a ride? Whee!
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.